Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make steak and kidney pie. It's a savory pie filled with steak, beef kidney and onion. Let's get started. Some all-purpose flour or plain flour. A little salt. Sift them together into a bowl. Transfer them into a stand mixer. Add some cold unsalted butter. Turn on the machine at medium speed until you have fine crumbs. To make the fluid mix with the crumbs, we need 1 egg yolk, lemon juice from 1 lemon, a little milk. Add some cold water until the weight is 100 grams. Add this fluid to the crumbs. Mix to firm paste, then turn off the machine. Let it rest in the fridge for at least 3 hours. While waiting, I will make the pie filling. I cube some inside skirt steak, some diced beef kidney. Add a little salt. Black pepper. A little all-purpose flour. Then mix them well, set aside. Chop some yellow onions. I use 1 beef stock cube mixed with 300 ml hot water. Melt some unsalted butter at medium heat. Add some vegetable oil. Add the marinated steak and kidney. Keep stirring. When the color is brown, remove it from the pan. Keep the temperature at medium heat. Use the remaining oil to saute the onions. Keep stirring. When the texture is soft and the color is dark, add the steak and kidney we just cooked. Mix them well, then add the beef stock we prepared before. Cover the pot. Keep simmering for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, the pie filling is ready. Let it cool down. If yours is not thick enough, add some thickener. Preheat the oven at 425 Fahrenheit. I will use the 9-inch pie dish. Grease the surface with some vegetable oil. Flour the pie dish, then remove it. I know how big I will roll out the dough. Break off 1/3 for the lid, and the rest will be the base. Roll out the dough to make a 3 mm thickness. Adjust the pastry to fit the pie dish. Prick the base with a fork. Do the same thing to the lid and make it 3 mm thickness. Transfer the pie filling to the baking dish. Cover with the lid, then press well to seal. Remove the extra. This is how I crimp the pie. Brush the egg wash. Make some pie vents. Bake it for 35 to 40 minutes until you see the golden crust. Time is up. Let's check the pie. It's easy to remove from the pie dish after baking. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So this steak and kidney pie for 5 to 6 people cost me $17. I'm going to enjoy this steak and kidney pie. Thanks for watching my video.